Dead, decomposing body of Adventist deacon suspected of killing college student found at his home. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. Also this evening, throw it out. Lawyer applies for charges against female biker. Body slammed by police to be dismissed.
Tempers flare, judge and lawyer clash over timeline to end trial of Carter Druin bribery case.
No reinstatement. Calabar parent says the school yet to readmit her son despite intervention from the Education Ministry.
Heated, NWA and St. Mary residents face off over land acquisition for Junction Road expansion.
And in business news, will change. Manufacturers say push against sugar consumption, forcing rethink.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the taxi operators' call for a fare increase?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.